My name's Mackenzie.
My name's Michael, and we're
gonna plant sweet potatoes.
Okay, let's get to it.
There's 6 in a pack, but we're only gonna do 4.
But you see what we were doing at the start? We were getting shovels and putting them in. We're not gonna do that. The most efficient way to do this is get the bag, then pour it in. Oh, we messed up. So you hold it, then you pour it in.
Okay, I think that's enough.
Okay, and that's perfect. That's how much you need right there. So get shovels and dig holes after you get those out. Dig the holes first. So what you're gonna do is just get your shovel and dig 4 holes if you're using 4. But you can dig as many holes as you want. And what we're using is a potato bag, so use it like this.
There's 6 in a pack, but we're only gonna use 4.
Okay, so first hole dug. Now we need 2 more. So, oh, I see you got a hole there. So we just need 2 more now. So 1 over here and 1 over here. You could do it any way you want. And if you're like us, you have grass, just throw the rest of the soil in the grass.
Okay, I'm done mine. So now I'm gonna squeeze the little bottom, go like this, and then I'm going to take it out. And then I'll put it in my little hole. And then I'll cover it up. And then that's how you make a sweet potato plant.
Okay, guys, just like she said, we're gonna use 4, so we have 3 left. So how you do it again is pop it out just like this. It's kind of hard to pop it out, but just get your finger in there, then you can move it, then bring it out like that.
Okay, I'm done mine.
Okay, now there's 2 more. This is 1. Now we're gonna put that in there, and then we could just put it over so the roots don't want to show. So like just like that, that's good. Then second one, squeeze. Then get your finger in there. Then you could just pull it up. So it's kind of hard to do it, just like I said, but you'll know how to do it if you do it a couple times. Okay, last one. The hole needs to be a little bigger, so just dig it up like with your hands. Then cover the hole with some more dirt. And that was the steps how to plant your potato plant. But that's how you plant it. We never said how you water it, so let's water it. So I'll water my plants. You need to water it so it goes into the soil and it makes the roots wet so it can grow really big. So that's what I'm doing right now. And it's the funniest part too. I like to do it because it usually helps the plant grow. Then in a couple months you